Hey fans, Skipper here. Oh, and Max too. Fans, meet Max. Max, say hello to the fans. All right, welcome to this week's episode of my blog. As you already know, me and my sisters, Barbie, Stacy, and Chelsea, run Robert's Sisters Rescue, which you can see behind me. Now, rescuing puppies can be serious business, but what you may not know is that it can be a whole lot of fun too, and I can prove it. This week, I'm going to take you behind the scenes so you know what we're all about. So without further ado, let's go take a look. Hey Chelsea, how are you doing with little Charlie there? Have you got him cleaned up yet?
Almost. Are you recording for your blog?
Sure am.
Oh, hi, universe.
Hey Skipper, you've got to check this out. Why don't you say hi to our fans, Stacy?
Hey everyone! Perfect timing. Daisy here is a Frisbee champ. Just watch. She's impressive. Good girl. She's totally gold medalist material.
That was so great! Well done, Daisy. Oh, look! Barbie's found another lost puppy. Fans, check it out. A puppy rescue in action. This is so exciting. Barbie, welcome back. And who is this little cutie? Hi, Skip. And fans of Skipper. I'm not sure yet. He doesn't have a tag. I found him roaming around a construction site down the street. We would have been back sooner, but we maybe stopped for some ice cream first.
Did someone see ice cream?
Poor pup. I'll go see if he has an ID chip and make sure he's all healthy. Chelsea, want to give me a hand?
You can have both hands.
Aw, how could anyone resist a face like yours? I'm sure we'll find you a new home in no time. I hope you all enjoyed this entertaining sneak peek behind the scenes at Robert's Sisters Puppy Rescue. Thanks again for tuning in, and don't forget, puppies are peeps too. Catch you next time. Skipper, signing off. Great idea posting that on your blog, Skipper. We're sure to get more people to adopt the puppies we rescue now. Don't mention it.
Yeah, don't mention it. So, about that ice cream.
We'll stop and get some today, right after we rescue some puppies. Ready, girls?
Yeah!
Let's go save some puppies. Let's see if this poster gives up any puppy clues. Maybe they've seen a puppy. Aw, no need to be scared. Now that is a successful puppy rescue. This puppy looks like one happy patient.
Hold still. This won't take long.
That chip is a lifesaver.
Well, that's fixed. Let's see if there's anything else.
Don't worry, it'll be over in a jiffy.
There you go. All better.
Let's go rescue some puppies! Hi! Yeah, I'm combing the streets. Yep, puppies do love their trash. On my way. Catch you later. That's it. Come on now. This pup's finally been found. This is the best job ever! It's okay, puppy. Skipper will look after you. I'm so happy your chip is working. Oh no, you're not chipped! Puppy deserves a name. Let's come up with one. Good job! It's a match made in heaven! No biggie, just a minor hiccup. Let's give those teeth a good clean. Just a little filling and you'll be as good as new. Just a little filling and you'll be as good as new. Just a little filling and you'll be as good as new. I promise we'll look after you. One more filling and we're done. Your teeth are squeaky clean now, pup.